What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace Honda windshield wiper blade inserts. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so we can change these inserts without even removing the blades from our windshield, but it's so easy. I'll show you guys how to do it. So if you lift up the arm and if you come right here, there's a little button under here that you're going to pull towards you. And then as you pull towards, you're gonna pull down on the whole arm assembly. So we push this button in and we just pull the arm downward and it comes undone from this hook right there. So here are the part numbers for this specific vehicle. This is the 2017 Honda CR-V. Now you can get this set for around $20. I like these because they seem to last at least a couple seasons for only around $20, and that's about as cheap as you can get the cheap metal wiper blades. I'll make sure I put links down in the description to a set of these for you guys so you can check those out. So if we check out the blade, there's actually just a little thin piece of rubber right here that does all the work, and as these become worn, the rubber will actually start to separate from that right there and they'll just fall apart and stop working. So if you come up right here to the top, all you have to do is we're going to grab the rubber and we're going to push it inwards, downwards, and it's actually in a little channel. There we go. Once you get it out of that channel, we can just go ahead and feed it up through the top, pull out the whole thing. That's just what locks it in there. Take our new one, and it doesn't matter which side you start with on either the blade or this insert. As you can see, it's just a little H shape. We're gonna put that obviously outwards, the tip, but you're just gonna feed this right into that channel, just like we took it out. Carefully slide it down, making sure it stays in the channel. Slide it all the way to the bottom, and then when we get to the end of the bottom, you're going to grab the tip and you're going to push that inward, and then it's going to lock into that channel. You push it in and then let it out, and that's what's going to lock it into the end. And then see, there's a curved part right here on the wiper. It's going to go up towards that hook and it just snaps in and locks in, and you can go ahead and drop your wiper. Okay, I'll demonstrate on this side that you don't even have to take them out. Push down on the end and we can pull that whole insert right out. Take our new one, carefully feed it into the channel, pull it down slowly. It'll lock into the bottom automatically. Then we're just going to take that and pull it down below that little tip and let it go, and it just kind of springs into there and locks it in place. Go ahead and lower it down, and that's it. So you want to make sure that you clean these wipers every once in a while, just with a little soap and water on a rag. Wipe them clean, and if you don't use them a lot in summer, every time you wash your car, just go ahead and turn them on with the water running on the windshield. That'll work the rubber and make them last a lot longer. But alright guys, that is how to change the wiper inserts on your Honda. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and click the bell so you can get my new videos. That helps me a lot. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.